What is going on, cryptocurrency investors? My name's Landon. You're watching Blockchain. I provide multiple cryptocurrency news videos each and every day. Smashing that subscribe button continues our growing community, 2,000 strong, and the comments are getting increasingly more thoughtful. You guys are really interested in this evolving market just as much as I am, so continue to watch us as we grow. Help me get those likes by smashing that like button if you enjoy our content and if you are a regular viewer. As many of you are aware, Typerium is one of the hottest ICOs launching this year. They are hosting an incredible bounty rewards program. It is by far the best bounty rewards program I've ever seen, and the host of the rewards program has reported it's the most traffic they've seen on a program in their entire history. Go to typerium.io, click bounty, and start ranking yourself towards this amazing giveaway. Joining the Typerium official Telegram group is a great place to discuss this up-and-coming ICO and find out all about it for yourself. CoinMarketCap has undergone a bit of a rebranding, a refreshed look, and I think it looks great. Bitcoin dominance continues to drop as the market cap is still bearish over the last few days. $415 billion is where we need to be, in my opinion, considering where we were just a few months ago. We're looking towards $500 billion and approaching $1 trillion. This is an emerging industry, and it will see multiple trillions of dollars in the years to come, so stay with us as we continue to report these hyper-evolving markets. The topic of today's discussion is Bitfinex launching two new major assets to its roster, that being Stellar in the 8th position and Verge, which has been stumbling between 25th and 30th position all week. After the major Pornhub announcement, a lot of sentiment was down on Verge, and in my opinion, it took Verge from an okay privacy coin to a very long-term project, much like that of Tron right now, as the real results of this Pornhub partnership won't be fully realized until it has time to work in the industry and Pornhub has time to develop this alternative method of paying for their services. I do imagine it will continue to grow in volume and overall market cap as the years progress, so Verge has definitely solidified itself in the top 100 with this announcement, as well as, which in my opinion is a bigger announcement, with TokenPay, who was already on board with XVG and contributed a large percentage of the crowdfund that they ran to get the Pornhub announcement going. With XVG and TokenPay announcing Verge debit cards in the future, it really is a step towards mass adoption, one brick in the large bridge that needs to be built between the cryptocurrency industry and mainstream society, being widely accepted and understood by the masses as a viable alternative to the crumbling fiat system. Having a look at Verge's history, it's all very condensed into what's happened this year. Getting an idea of the volume, as we can see, it's relatively low with some spikes around the 17th, which was a lot of sell volume, and just very recently after XVG landed on Bitfinex earlier today. Bitfinex is one of the largest cryptocurrency exchanges in the entire industry, so having Verge and Stellar, Verge getting a lot of negative publicity lately, Stellar not really in the news a lot, but definitely one of the best altcoins in my opinion going into this year in regards to what you can expect for gains. Verge has been struggling with a ton of horizontal movement, a recent spike just because of the Bitfinex listing. I don't imagine a lot of price movement as this year continues because, like I said, it's going to take time for the debit cards to get rolled out and for the cryptocurrency community to really see what the Pornhub partnership is going to do in regards to putting more numbers into this market cap. Stellar has had a crazy good run in just the last few weeks. Since halfway through April saw a very large increase in volume as the overall market continued to climb. We were struggling at $250 billion just like 4 to 6 weeks ago, and with that sudden push, Bitcoin dominance was over 45% of the entire market. And as I've been saying for weeks, we need that to continue to drop a lot to see many of these very eligible altcoins to flourish. A lot of projects, in my opinion, like Stellar, are kind of undervalued considering where they match up in comparison to their competitors. Stellar having a measly $152 million in 24-hour volume, it's nowhere near the high spikes that XVG has seen recently, but it is still high volume for Stellar. Sitting in the number 8th position, it's a lot higher ranked than that of Verge, but hasn't been in the news a whole lot. However, even throughout these bearish few days, Stellar has consistently been performing, so look out for this one in the coming months. Whereas Verge, I wouldn't be too concerned with in the coming months, but it is definitely a long-term player. The TradingView technical analysis summary, which I kind of take with a grain of salt, is showing very neutral territory right now for XLM. However, I think there's a lot of opportunity in this project right now with an immediate listing on Bitfinex as well as in the months to come. So continue to keep it locked right here at Blockchain for all your ongoing developments in this hyper-evolving industry. I really think Stellar Lumens is going to have a great year. But there is only one way to find out, and it is to continue to watch Blockchain. Follow me on Twitter because I post relevant news all day long as it happens. As the channel continues to grow, I'm always thinking of new ways to deliver content. Live streaming is definitely in the cards in the coming weeks. So smash that like button and comment below if you'd like to see us do some daily live streams covering the evolving markets and maybe some on-demand technical analysis. Thank you so much for helping us push past 2,000 subscribers. 5K is the next milestone, and I think we can hit it within the next 60 days. Let me know how I can improve this content, as I really enjoy making these videos and I want to be as accurate and as relevant as possible. Thank you so much for watching Blockchain. My name is Landon, and until next time, everyone.